Hey, what's going on, everyone? I got a really quick video for you guys today, and it is just a simple solution to a common problem, and that problem is a stripped out set screw in your pinion gear. I was talking to Robinson Racing the other day, and they say they get a lot of messages asking how to remove a stripped out pinion gear, and well, why even get to that point? They came out with a screw that is going to be a lot easier to tighten down and less likely to strip out. This is a Torx style screw. This 3x3 millimeter set screw goes into most 10 scale pinion gears, and it requires a T6 driver such as this one right here from Hootie in order to tighten it down. You could go and use any Torx driver from any hardware store. It should work just fine, but this should lessen the chances of stripping out the set screws on your pinion gear, or maybe even your sway bar or in your hubs or something like that, anywhere that uses a 3x3 millimeter set screw. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys the heads up about it. Definitely check out Robinson Racing for all their other gears and slipper clutches and stuff like that. They make a lot of cool stuff. But thanks for checking in, and we'll see you back here really soon for some more cool RC info. Yeah, but how do I remove that stripped out set screw? Well, there's a couple things you could do. You could try to find a very small screw extractor. You could drill out just the very center of the set screw, and that should relieve the pressure enough to slide the pinion gear off. I know some people pry it off with a screwdriver. I don't recommend doing that because it could damage the motor. Your best bet is to get a pinion puller, and I put a link to one in the description below.